Hi, my name is Cindy. If you've been here before, so glad you came back. If you're new, welcome to Z9 Designs. Do you like to sit and read in a cozy corner of your home and relax? Well, today I'm going to show you a cozy corner that I made. So be sure to subscribe, like, save, and comment. It really helps my channel to grow, and I love to hear what you have to say. I have a side table that I purchased from Target several years ago. It is 2 wood rounds with chrome on the sides. And I cleaned it off because everyone wants to start with a clean slate, or what we say, tabletop. I was gifted a crock pot bowl that I had for several years. And you got to spruce up things. So I placed a green wreath in the middle and a cement bowl that I made a few years ago. I painted inside the cement bowl a copper spray paint, and it looks so beautiful. And I graced it with a jute ball that I had made. And the outside of the bowl that is cement is painted white. Now, a pillow was placed in a chair so one would have some lumbar support when they relaxed. A green plant was placed on top. Of course, we need this to give the table a fresh look. In addition, some tissue was placed beside the plant just in case you read a sad story and wanted to shed a few tears. Sometimes you just don't want to fetch your reading glasses, so a magnifying glass was placed on top of an open book. That is just in case. But as I looked at it, the plant needed some height. So I used a plant stand that I DIY'd last year. And I think it gives the plant just the right height. Now, the other thing, it may be a little cool in your home, and you just may want to snuggle up while reading your book. So this is my Cozy Corner. How do you cozy up? Now, Cozy Corner or Vignette is hosted by the Grace Life DIY, Home Decor, and Tablescapes by Candy. Our co-host today is Design with Emma, Deborah Cabasa Home Living, Debbie Bubbles, Annalise Cupboard, and me, Z9 Designs. So make sure you check out their channels, subscribe, like, save, and comment. And if you have liked what you've seen, please subscribe, like, save, and comment. And also follow me on Instagram, TikTok, Threads, and Facebook. Thanks so much for watching. I appreciate all of your comments. And remember, to get the full value of joy, you must have someone to divide it with. This is by Mark Twain. See you later. Bye-bye.